So as you may know, Discord has recently changed the role design, but that's not all Discord is doing to the roles. Now they are adding role icons. So what are role icons? Well, let's take a look. I found 3 people that have managed to access these features early. I don't know who can access them. If you can, then you're a very lucky person. So at first glance it might be a kind of confusing display. There might be some editing done to this picture, and the features probably aren't final yet because they're not released. So what you see here might end up looking completely different. But this is what it looks like for now. So it says you can upload an image or pick an emoji. It must be under 256 kilobytes. So basically it's similar to emojis. They cannot be over 256 gigabytes? They cannot be over 256 kilobytes, which is quite small, but then the icons do look small over here. So this person has uploaded an image, this weird face over here, and as you can see, this is what it looks like on the member sidebar if you've separated users by their role. So if you're creative, I think what you can do with something like this is say you have leveling roles, so every time someone reaches level 5, level 10, they unlock roles. Then in something like Photoshop, you can make a nice icon which displays like a fancy 5 or something. Then you can use an invisible character to get rid of the role name, and pick the colour from the role background and set that as the role colour, and there's no text. So I imagine this is what it looks like for real, obviously given that's not final yet. So as you see next to the role icon, it says level 2, and this is the Nitro booster. So like many recent features, it seems like Discord is making role icons a level 2 exclusive, which means you have to have at least 15 boosts in your server. So I imagine that will be very controversial, but always remember you can just paste an emoji in here. Obviously you're limited to existing emojis, you can't upload a custom image. Now I know some emojis look weird when you paste them in, and if you look at the top right of this video, you just see an iCard. So if you have the problem I'm talking about and you want to fix that, I recommend you watch that video. It's very easy to do. I'm not just adding that into the video to plug it, I'm adding it because I know it's a common problem and it's relevant to what we're talking about right now. Now going away from the roles menu, this person has uploaded a screenshot of their server boost menu, and boy that is a lot of features, and they're getting quite long. So down here it says custom role icons. So this person has obviously got at least 15 boosts because they have unlocked this tier of level 2 perks, and one of those is custom role icons. So obviously the other screenshots have already mentioned this, so this is nothing new, but this is just what it looked like on the server boost menu. So let me know what you think of this in the comments below. Are you okay with it being a Nitro boost exclusive, where you have to have level 2, which is 15 boosts? I know it's going to be very controversial, especially for people that do not have 15 boosts. I'm actually about to lose my level 2 boost in my server, so this hits home. It's kind of a bummer that it's a level 2 exclusive, but again remember, this is not final, they might lower it. And these are not a necessity, because remember you can add an emoji yourself. This is not a pay to win feature or anything like that. It's rather a pay to make something look slightly better. That's how I look at it. So if this video taught you something new, and you didn't know about this before, please drop a like, that'd be really appreciated. And until next time, see you then.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitate